So what are the essential components of diet? Very good. Please write. Essential components of diet include carbohydrates, proteins, fats or lipids, oils, vitamins, minerals, roughages. Roughages are nothing but fibers, and then water. Carbohydrates. Place 400 to 500 grams of carbohydrate has to be consumed per day. These carbohydrates have a calorific value of 4.1 kilocalories per gram, but the actual physiological value is 4 kilocalories per gram. So only 0.1 kilocalorie per gram is wasted, and this is also known as an instant source of energy. So whenever you are feeling tired, you won't consume protein or fat, rather you consume glucose. Glucose is a carbohydrate, or if you are sick, dextrose is given, isn't it? Maybe a saline or something which consists of these things, carbohydrates along with some minerals and salts, isn't it? So carbohydrates are considered as an instant source of energy. These carbohydrates are made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. You get my point? These carbohydrates are also known as polysaccharides. Polysaccharides means many monosaccharides. Monosaccharide is therefore the fundamental unit of carbohydrate. Fundamental unit of carbohydrate. Examples of different monosaccharides are, what are they? Glucose, fructose and galactose. This is a single unit. Two units of monosaccharides are disaccharides. So disaccharides consists of what? Two monosaccharides. Say for example, you can take sucrose. Sucrose consists of one glucose and one fructose. Maltose. Maltose consists of two molecules of glucose. Then lactose. Lactose consists of one molecule of glucose and one molecule of galactose. So more than two can be called as polysaccharides. More than two. Example of polysaccharides are cellulose, which is a reserve food material in plants. Glycogen, which is the reserve food material in animals, isn't it? Not completely. Peptide, no? Peptide. Peptide is a protein. Protein and carbohydrate. Lipoproteins and lipoproteins and these are used. They are in combination, particularly in cell structure. They are in combination. So carbohydrates form the structural element of the cell, and as I said, they are instant source of energy. Deficiency of carbohydrates leads to fatigue or tiredness, isn't it? So they disrupt the normal metabolic activities of the body. Please take down this.
Selecting the right optional subject for the UPSC exam can be a daunting task, especially if you're aiming to succeed on your first attempt. But what if there's a crucial element that could make all the difference? That element is continuous answer writing practice at VIJETHA IAS Academy. Our Anthropology Optional Foundation program offers a comprehensive approach. Not only will you delve deeply into the subject matter, but you will also engage in daily and weekly answer writing exercises. Each of your answers will be meticulously reviewed and critiqued by NP Kishore sir, ensuring you receive personalized feedback to enhance your skills. This approach has already helped many students achieve impressive marks and ranks, such as Akanksha Singh, 311 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Chaudhary Shipra Vijay Kumar, 307 marks in Anthro CSE 2022. Ajin Kumar, who cracked UPSC in his first attempt, and many more. With daily feedback and structured practice, you will be well prepared to succeed in the UPSC examination. With our focused feedback and structured practice, you'll be well equipped to improve your performance and boost your chances of securing a top rank in the CSE. Don't wait any longer. Enroll in VIJETHA IAS Academy today and unlock the proven success formula for conquering the UPSC exam.